run into AutoZone real quick to grab those brake parts. I'm not going to grab the caliper. It didn't look like it was having serious issues to me. And we have to order that. So if we're going to need a caliper, I think I'll just postpone and probably order one online. That's significantly cheaper. But if we need to rush it, we can get one same day as well. My brother-in-law is getting married on Saturday, so a bunch of family members in and out today. So I'm trying not to make today any more complicated than it needs to be. This is not the first thing I've done this morning, but it's still like 10 a.m. I believe. This clock isn't right. So just try and get this done this morning. This is the last thing I have to do. All right, so I went ahead and got hungry, so I figured I'd stop for some donuts at this place. Look at these donuts. At least my kids are gonna like them. I did get one normal chocolate one, but yeah. For 12 bucks though, for a whole dozen donuts, this was 12 bucks. For that kind of donut, man, that's crazy. I'd come back here. All right, we're just a few blocks away. I'm gonna go get that job done and probably eat a donut when I get there. This video is sponsored by vevor. Vevor is one of my new favorite tool brands. I've noticed down in the comments that other people like the brand as well. So this is definitely a brand I recommend. That being said, let's check out a new one of their products. Alright, so here's the bottom side. This box is IP65 rated waterproof, and it's also got this cover. This cover right here will keep rain out when the door is opened as well. I figured this would be a nice place to come check out this new tool in this amphitheater here. I've got the key to this box, which has upgraded locks. And this box is completely sealed. All of the openings are sealed with rubber. And you've even got this door in the bottom so that you can run wires out of there. You got your rubber seal as well, which makes that waterproof. And all of the edges in this box are rounded to make sure your wires stay safe. The studs to ground the box are built in, so that's great and nice. There's an extra step for quality that you don't often see. This galvanized steel backing plate is marked here so that you can organize your electronics in this box perfectly. This is a floating backing plate that's also isolated from the box as well. Now that I've got this box all sealed up, let's go ahead and do a durability test. I'm out here to play disc golf today. Let's go ahead and give this box a durability test warm-up. Let's put that. It seems like that box is just barely balanced on there, so I think if I whack it real hard, it might fall off. Let's go ahead and slap it with a thrasher. Go. Should be able to hit it first try. Oh, right in the gap. See how tough this steel is. All right, here's the damage where we slid off that rock. Looks like I bent up the rain hood a little bit. Did I dent it? Oh, I didn't even dent it. I hit it right there. Dang. Oh well. Ooh, that was a big old bug. I want to get stung. Pretty cool, pretty nice tool overall. Very sturdy. Dusty back there like this. Why'd they put these on these rotors? They got these dumb little lock-in retainers on these rotors. They're not as bad as those screws, but still. Oh yeah? And how am I supposed to loosen that? Stupid. It's a dumb idea. It's always the inside pad that wears out more. Always. So everybody who's complaining in those shorts the other day that they shouldn't wear out unevenly, they do. There's nothing I can do about that. Do it with a small wrench. gotta be strong. There you go. In with the old 𝕮𝖆𝖈. That's what I've been calling it since I was like 10 years old. First time I think I ever picked a can of this up, I pronounced it 𝕮𝖆𝖈. Man, I've been using this stuff for 20 years. I always called it 𝕮𝖆𝖈. Pretty sure that's not how it's supposed to be pronounced. Alright, all I gotta do is the same thing on the other side. It's been probably 20-30 minutes, about as expected. brakes. Nice. There we go. That's a job well done.